Here we have a 97 Ford Taurus, and we're going to change the cabin air filter. Don't mind my son, he's just running around the garage here a little bit. Here is the cabin air filter. This is by TYC, and that's your part number. Got this from Amazon. It goes for about $8, I believe, free shipping. And for this cabin air filter replacement, you have this plastic piece that is right here, and I'm missing my plastic screws for it. So the last time I replaced it, I guess they broke, but this is what they look like. They're flathead plastic screws. I guess you just get a flathead, just kind of turn it. These metal clamps that are on here, you just kind of just pull those back, and once you get those 3 screws out, remove the metal clamps that are missing on my car. All you're gonna do is just kind of just pull that back, and it exposes the cabin air filter, which is right here. These are we're supposed to be replaced every year, and you can already see the dirt that has accumulated on this bad boy. So we have 2 8mm screws right here that we're going to remove, because this plastic piece restricts you from kind of pulling that out. So we're gonna go ahead and remove these. And this keeps your, okay, release your face. I'll see. I'm shooting a video. It'll be quick. You will remove these 2 screws right here. You gonna go out the garage though? I was going. Yeah. I just hope he's not gonna want to play outside. I hope he's not gonna want to play outside, because he's gonna see it. That's why I brought the car in the garage. That's okay though. No problem.
What's a new car? You can put the other car.
So once you get these removed, you'll pull this plastic piece out. Once you get that plastic piece out of the way, filter comes right out. And there we are. Very dirty. If you have any accumulation of leaves, go ahead and vacuum those out with a vacuum cleaner. And it's a reverse order. Change those out. It's very important.
Bye.
And I wish you the best. Okay, decided to do a part 2 on installation. Noticed that I was having a little hard time putting this in, so normally I wouldn't do a second video. I'm new to this video stuff anyway, but putting it in is easy as taking it out. But on this filter, this material is more firmer, so I went to go get some petroleum jelly to help that seat better, because it just wasn't seating. This one right here has a softer material, so it kind of squeezes into place better. So got some petroleum jelly, and I lined it all the way around. All the way around. Now let's see if we can get this to seat better. You see the shape, notate the shape of the housing before you install this. And let's go ahead and give her a try and see if she seats better. And just gotta be patient, just kind of work it around. You want the seat all the way around so that this filter does its job. Just push it in there the best that you can there. This back corner, you gotta kind of just work it in there, and eventually it'll make it. Okay, and just kind of go through. Okay. So once you see that it is seated, on all four corners. See how that's seated back there? The gasket is seated all the way down in the housing, all the way around. Make sure that gasket is flush all the way around, and that way your filter does its job. And from there, it is in place. Now you want to install your, go ahead and install your plastics and what have you back, and you'll be good to go. All right. You'll notice the fog will, on your windows, changing these out keeps that fog down too. I mean, this is what you'll be breathing if you don't change these every year. These get overlooked. So it's no different than your engine air filter as well. You want to change those every 12,000 miles, 1 year as well. I already changed mine, so may do a video on how to change that as well here in the coming future. All right. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, and just let me know that this is actually helping folks. All right. Take care. Bye-bye.